Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to explore 5 applications of GPT-5, the next iteration of the world's most popular artificial intelligence. GPT-5 is expected to be a game-changer in the field of AI. Number 1. Expanded multimodal understanding. GPT-5's expanded multimodal understanding is a major breakthrough that could transform the way we interact with and consume content. With the ability to process not only text and images, but also audio and video content, GPT-5 could open up new possibilities for immersive, interactive experiences that blur the line between reality and fiction. Think about the incredible new worlds that could be created, bringing us closer to the realms of science fiction than ever before. Number 2. Interactive multimedia. Interactive multimedia, made possible by GPT-5, could change the way we consume entertainment forever. Imagine video games and movies that have dynamic, evolving storylines that change based on the viewer's interactions, search history, mood, and engagement. This would offer a unique experience every time for the consumer and foster endless possibilities for creativity and exploration, which could lead to an entire downstream market of second experience media. Number 3. Generally capable robots. GPT-5's ability to power generally capable robots with an impressive level of general intelligence could revolutionize our daily lives by automating mundane tasks and freeing up time for more creative endeavors. It could also lead to a greater level of safety, efficiency, and precision in fields like manufacturing and healthcare, saving lives and improving outcomes for millions of people worldwide. Number 4. Autonomous AI model development. With GPT-5's autonomous AI model development, the potential for breakthrough discoveries in science, medicine, and technology is limitless. Imagine the possibilities for drug discovery, precision medicine, and personalized healthcare. Or consider the potential impact on fields like climate science and particle physics, where GPT-5's ability to predict potential future outcomes with greater precision than ever before could be a game changer. Number 5. Personalized virtual assistant. Finally, GPT-5's ability to act as a personalized virtual assistant that seamlessly integrates with all aspects of our lives could be life-changing. Imagine having a single all-knowing assistant that anticipates your needs, streamlines your daily tasks, and helps you achieve your ambitions, all while enhancing your experience with every device you interact with. GPT-5 could pave the way for a world where technology works in harmony with humans, elevating our lives to new heights of convenience and efficiency. The potential of GPT-5 is both exhilarating and awe-inspiring. While it promises to transform our world in unimaginable ways, we must also be mindful of the challenges and ethical implications of its capabilities. However, with careful consideration and responsible use, the possibilities for a brighter future with GPT-5 are endless. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the potential of GPT-5 and how it could change our world for the better. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content.